Hi guys, welcome to Learn the Persian channel. In this channel with my friend Muhammad, we teach you the Persian language completely. We will show you 2 long videos on Saturday and Tuesday and short videos on all days of the week. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's go! Lesson 2. Introducing yourself. Dialogue.
سلام، اسم من هاکان است.
Hello, my name is Hakan.
سلام، اسم من مروه است.
Hi, I'm Merve.
از آشنایی شما خوشبخت شدم.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
منم خوشبخت شدم.
It's a pleasure to meet you too.
برا از شما صحبت کرده بود.
Bora has told me a lot about you.
بله، از شما هم گفته بود. در نهایت تونستیم آشنا بشیم.
Yes, I've heard a lot about you as well. We are finally meeting. Lesson vocabulary.
آشنا شدن. آشنا شدن.
To meet. To know.
خوشبخت شدن. خوشبخت شدن.
To be pleased.
شما.
You. Second person plural. Second person singular polite.
آخر.
End. Final. Last.
اسم.
Name.
من.
I. Me. Guys, today's lesson is over. Now, can you introduce yourself? Let's practice in the comments.